Hi, today I'm going to show you a mushroom recipe, that is chili mushroom. It's dry, it's yummy, it's delicious. It's a good patty recipe. So before starting, let's quickly look into the ingredients. For preparing this yummy recipe, we'll need 5 teaspoons of corn flour, 5 teaspoons of refined flour, 3 teaspoons of rice flour, salt to taste, sweet chili sauce, olive oil for preparing the mushroom gravy, 1 teaspoon of honey, ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 5 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, spring onion, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Here I am using 200 grams of mushroom. What I have done, I have washed the mushroom in cold water, then immediately I have dried it using a paper towel. Little bit careful while you are cleaning the mushroom. After cleaning it in cold water, immediately you can dry it using a paper towel, or you can use a clean cloth, because mushroom has the tendency to absorb the cold water immediately. After cleaning, separate the part from the mushroom. Don't throw it. You can use this part in different recipe, or with the onion you can fry it and serve this with roti or paratha. Like this, clean all this mushroom. Let's start our process. Now I'll prepare batter for frying the mushroom. Put little bit of salt on it. Add salt according to your taste. Add the ground black pepper. Put 1 teaspoon of oil. The oil will give the crispiness. Then add water. Make a thick batter. Now the batter is ready. Put the mushroom and we'll deep fry it. For frying, we need some vegetable oil. Already I have heated some oil in my workstation. Now we'll fry the mushroom. Fry the mushroom till the color changes into light brown. We'll keep it aside. Like this, we'll fry all the mushroom in 2 batches. Now we'll prepare gravy for the chili mushroom. I have already heated a skillet in my workstation. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Oil has become hot. Add chopped garlic, green chili, onion, give it a nice mix. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt according to your taste, so that the onion will cook fast. Don't overcook the onion, so that the color will be changes into brown. Now add chili paste, add sweet chili sauce, half teaspoon of honey. It is optional. Honey will give you nice glaze to the mushroom. Now give it a mix. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add mushroom. Give it a nice mix. Coat all the fried mushroom properly with the sauces. Drizzle little bit of water on it. Here I have drizzled 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. Now cook it for 2 minutes. Now you are almost done. Before switching off the stove, put some spring onion above it. Now it is ready. I am going to switch off the stove. Chili mushroom is ready now. Serve this with any fried rice of your choice. Please provide your valuable comments. If you liked my video, then give one thumbs up. Do try it in home and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye and take care.